how to solution in the Laravel issue, any Laravel problem in the application. So here you can solve any Laravel application. So in Laravel, suppose this is the issue is in the Laravel showing in our blood. So this is a simple example, exception. The issue is this. So go to the Laravel application. This is the complete Laravel application. You should go to the storage log and check the laravel.log. so this here is showing any type of Laravel issue automatically stored the issue. So here issue is check the issue. So Laravel connection, that means our database connection is the issue. So check our env. So here I have set up everything fine, but so no Laravel migration file. That means issue is there is no base table in our session table not filing. So you should PHP addition migrate, PHP addition migrate, just run this. So here is PHP is not command, so you need to run the PHP where it is located. So PHP need to run your local environment. So I am adding this. So after solve the issue, you should delete this, make it into, then run the application. So easy solution to any type of issue you can solve here. So any types of Laravel issue you can get easily from here. So this is the complete Laravel log. If you understand the Laravel log issue, then solve by AI or anything. So you can solve by one issue. So here is he who did not check this file. So this file automatically 500, or I have last check another site issue. Their Laravel log file is more than 1 GB. So they do not care about this, but the issue of the server, issue of the Laravel application, you always list it here. This is not automatically deleted from the here. Thank you, best of luck.